Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This week it is the Half-Ogre fighter. He's been primed in German Panzer Grey and I'm starting off with Monster Brown for all of his exposed skin. The next colour I used is Dirt Splatter for the wood on the back of the shield and for his boots. With the wood dry, I used Jade Green for the fabric on the shield and the sword attached to his waist. While the green is drying, I used Phoenix Flames to do his hair. Now I'll move on to the longest part of this guy, the metal parts. For this I'm using Gunmetal by Army Painter, and this is pretty much for the entire mini now. With the armour finally painted, I used kobold skin to do a highlight on his skin, just picking up those raised areas, leaving the monster brown in the recesses. Next up is Leather Brown by Vallejo for all of the straps around him. While these straps are drying, I used bone white to do his horn on his waist and his tusks. I was thinking there's too much silver on this guy, so I grabbed some true copper and added a bit more variety to his armor just to mix it up that bit more. With the copper now added, I used greedy gold to add some of the decorations, just to make them pop. Now that the base layers are all finished, I used cold grey to do the base to emphasize this stonework. Next, I started with the washi, using flesh wash for all of his skin, boots and the base. The second wash is dark tone and will cover all that is left apart from the green on his shield. Finally, I used green tone to do the fabric on his shield. I also mixed this with the flesh washer on the base while it was still wet. After the washes have dried, I used matte black to do his eyes and the rim of the base. Now you can just leave this guy here and he'll be ready for table, but I wanted to add a bit more highlights to the skin, so I grabbed the kobold skin again, just to do some of the upper edges on the skin, making sure not to get anything that was facing down. I noticed the skin was similar colour to bone white now after the wash, so I've come back in with bone white just to bring up those tusks and the horn again. And that will be it for the Half-Ogre fighter. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed and found it helpful, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.